go. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the 8th video of the Advent Calendar unboxing. If you guys are new here and this is your first time popping in on this channel, you know, or the whole Advent Calendar season, my name is Jessi Maee, and we upload makeup unboxings and lifestyle videos. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So in today, the 8th installment of the Advent Calendar, we are going to be doing the, can anybody guess what this one is? Unless you looked at the title. This is the Ipsy Advent Calendar. I don't know, it just says all is bright. I think this is the very first time Ipsy has ever done an Advent Calendar, so I was lucky enough to snag one. Before we do get into this, if you guys are enjoying this video at any point in time, please give the video a thumbs up because I like the encouragement. It's gonna storm. Hopefully I can finish this before it storms. Okay, so this Advent Calendar was $99. I do not have like a retail value for you guys. I tried to find it online. Somebody online, I was reading, they like put out spoilers and stuff of everything that's in it, and they said that the retail value was about $600. Don't know how much I believe that, so let's kind of find out together. So this is a 24-day, I lied, this is 12, right? I thought it was 20, no it is 12. So this is a 24-day Advent Calendar, so let's just move on to day 1. They kind of screw with you with the writing and then the actual numbers. I'm going to try and do this quickly because, memory. We have from Benefits, it's the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. And it is a mini size, and this is a mixture of mini and full size, or at least that's what I read. So day number 2, the big guy right here, this is going to be, something that looks promising. And one thing I was wondering is if everything in here is going to be just like leftovers of Ipsy's, you know, samples and stuff. So we'll just kind of find out. I haven't opened an Ipsy glam bag in almost a year. Ironically, I was going to grab 12 of my Ipsy glam bags and do my own Ipsy Advent Calendar type of thing. I was just going to open 12 glam bags, you know, for 12 days of, like, Christmas. But then they came out with an actual Ipsy calendar. So, you know, if you guys want to see me open 12 Ipsy glam bags, I actually have, like, 20 or 24. I might even have 30. So they did give us, for day number 2, a bronzer palette. And I like that there's 3 different shades, so at least you can hopefully get a shade that'll work for you. I'm not going to swatch them just because, like I said, if I swatched everything, it's going to take a long time. So I'm not going to swatch everything. Day number 3, I will swatch some things. Day number 3, a lot of them are in like tubes, like the rectangles. I don't know if that's promising. Oh, this is from Milk Makeup. This is their Lip and Cheek Stain and Wreck. Ooh, that's really pretty. My dog is wandering around, so if you hear her, there's a storm coming and she senses it, so she's a little kind of on edge. You okay, boo-boo? Alright, so day number 5, we have the Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb. I've not tried this, so far actually I'm getting a decent amount of stuff I have not tried or have not received yet because I haven't opened them. You know, yeah, look fantastic. It's coming soon. Day number 6, we have another little squeezy tube, but this is from Glam Glow, and this is a Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Day number 7 is right here. Ooh, from Anastasia. This is their Vintage Lip Gloss in the shade, Vintage. This is their lip gloss in the shade Vintage. Oh, it smells good. Ooh, that's pretty. There's our Vintage shade right here. I'm hoping it's not, because it's just getting darker outside. Hopefully that's a little bit brighter. Alright, day number 7, 8. Because we just did 7. Day number 8 is quite hefty. Quite promising. Maybe a little mini eyeshadow palette or something. A little palette from Dose. It is the Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette. Almost 99.99% positive I own this because we got it in like an Ipsy, ignore the desk, in like an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or something like that. Did find mine, and yes, It is exactly the same shades. I'll give you a couple of swatches. But what I do like about this is the pans. If you really wanted to remove them, they are so easily removable. But there's a couple swatches for you guys. It is a really pretty palette. The pigments, or the eyeshadows, are very pigmented. Overall, it is a good eyeshadow palette. I just don't need 2 of them. So I might, let me know down in the comments below. Should I have a giveaway of every duplicate stuff of all the advent calendars, you know, still to come and stuff like that, that I'm not going to use? Should I do a giveaway? Let me know down in the comments below. On day number 9, we're right here. I'm running out of room. So number 9, we have, ooh, Cake Pencil from Kat Von D. I'm sorry, KVD. And it is literally your mini sample size. It is relatively a good eyeliner, just it's a sample size. So, like I did say, everything in here is either going to be full or sample mini size. Yeah. Day number 10. Day number 10, we have an eye primer from Maee to You, New York. Starting to rain. Very white. I kind of like that. So that's our eye primer. I've never heard of this brand from M2U, New York, or NYC. New York City, obviously. But you know, yeah. I skipped 4. We're going to open up number 4. Number 4 is from BioClarity. It's an exfoliating enzyme jelly cleanser. Never heard of this brand either, so I'm loving the new brands like that we're receiving. So back to on track. Number 11. Just for the last 2, I'm just going to leave the box down here. Well, you'll see. So number 11, we have, oh, this is from Misho Beauty. Misho Beauty. It is a lip shine, a sheer lip balm, and we have the shade Ijama. It is very, very ooh. I pressed a little too hard and it came out a little clumpy. But it is pretty sheer, and it's a pretty color. Pretty color. Alright, so day number 12. Another thing in a box. This is from Define Me. Sophia Isabel. What are you? Well, whatever you are, you leaked. All over my box, it's perfume. But you can see it's a quarter empty. But that's because it leaked all over everything. I don't know if it's broken or, oh. It's very strong in this case because it's everywhere. There is a lot. But it does smell good. Unfortunately, a quarter of mine got wasted in transit. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the second part. So day number 13, you are 20, 19, 13. Day number 13, lucky number 13, we have an illuminating, not illuminate, I mean it is, but we have a little highlighter from The Balm. Oh, it's not a this can't be a highlighter. Well, no, it's a highlighter. She's a highlighter. It might just be called Let's Bolt, but it's a gold highlighter. There she is, swatched right there. Alright, day number 14. 20, this is 14. The 4s look weird. The 4s look weird. They don't look like 4s. Nail lacquer from Context. It's in the shade Yesterday. So not my most favorite color. But I got nail polish everywhere. Alright, so it's not my favorite color, but it has some potential, I guess. That's the shade right there. So that was number 14. So number 15, we have this big box right here. And this is Glow On Fifth Beauty Keep It Handy Aloe Hand Cream. Not sure if I can actually smell this because all I smell is that perfume. Doesn't really have too much of a scent. It's almost fragrance free. So that's, I can definitely get on that, but now I have lotion all over my hand. Day number 16, she is right up here. And we have a scalp and body scrub. I believe I've tried this from Maee. I actually no, I don't think I tried their scalp scrub, but I do enjoy a nice little like scalp scrub because it helps get the dry shampoo and, you know, any other products that you may use in your hair out. Day number 17 is right here. Day number 17. Ooh! I'm not sure. It might be like one of those reusable face wash cloths rounds. Oh, it's a cleansing puff. Do not bleach. By the way, don't bleach a beauty sponge. So we just have a like reusable, washable beauty puff. That's really cool. I've never had like a beauty puff that you reuse like that. So I'm excited to try that out. Even though I don't really use that much. Anyway, moving on to, what are we on? 18? On day number 18, we have from Tula Skin. It is their Rose and Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. I love the eye balms that come in like a little, oh. This is not what I was thinking. I was thinking it was like a little pump. That's different. I've never had an eye balm in a stick. I'm intrigued. Excited to give this a try, but I'm not going to be using it quite yet. Day number 20. No, I lied. 19 is right here. Ooh, she's kind of heavy. Ooh, from Mira. This is their skin smoothing polishing. What? This is their skin smoothing polish. I don't think I've tried this one. I've tried their clear face wash, which I do enjoy that as just like a not natural. It's just like a normal, you know, cleansing wash to go in on your second wash. That made no sense because I double washed. You get what I'm trying to say? You know, a double cleanse, like the second time wash. I like that clear one, so hopefully this is as similar and, you know, excited to give this a try. Great to have that in my life. Moving on to 20 because we now have 5 days left. So on day 20, they gave us a Arceli Beauty Sponge. I'm going to leave that in its pouch. That way it could be nice and clean because it doesn't need to get dirty right away. We won't be using him. For day number 21, we have... I should just switch my memory card right now. We have the Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. It's a repair, strengthening hair and scalp mask. Alright, so day number 22, we have, oh, look, we got 2 in 1. We got 2 brushes. We have from Farah, the medium angled shader, and then a blending brush. So, and I actually do really, really enjoy Farah brushes. They're nice. My white balance, I think, okay, and I really apologize. Every time I restart my camera, apparently my white balance goes back to what it was. Not cool, camera, not cool. Alright, day number 23, we have, I actually know for a fact, I did get this because we got this in our last Ipsy Glam Bag X. Created by Halsey, so she put this in here, so they gave it to us again. This is just, I should probably tell you, it's a lash serum from Treats Beauty. Just an eyelash serum. Not gonna open this one, gonna put this one aside, either put it in some pile or something. Not gonna use it right here. Alright, and then lastly, on day number 24, please be something good. Something good. So this is from 111 Skin or 111, I think it's 111. This is the Rose Gold Radiant Booster. This makes me break out. Like, just, it literally, like, I actually used it yesterday just because I own it already. And it's expensive. And I didn't buy it. It came in another like subscription box, probably more than likely. And I'm sad that I got this. This is probably what everybody is like, oh, you got the most expensive. No, I'm just disappointed because I can't use the most expensive product in this box. So that's okay. Definitely this will get passed along, whether, like I said, that giveaway or something. So let me know what you guys think of the Ipsy Advent Calendar. It's not a glam bag. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you think it was worth the $99? I can see where they get a higher value, saying it's like $600 for the retail value, because this itself is like $200. But everything else is not. No. So overall, I did not really like this Advent Calendar all that much. No, that's a lie. I liked a lot of the stuff. Just not happy with this. And also, thank you, Ipsy. Thank you for not giving us some nail art, some emery board, a hair tie, a hair clip, a pin, a mirror. Thank you. So actually, I take back about, I really enjoyed this Advent Calendar. Let me know what you guys thought about this Advent Calendar down in the comments section below, because I absolutely love chatting with you guys. That being said, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of the other Advent Calendars, or you just want to binge watch some of my content and hang out a little bit longer, you can go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's Advent Calendar, day number 9. Bye!